Hello and welcome to the Journeyman Project, my response to the Inclusive Energy Innovation Competition. One of the greatest challenges in energy today is the workforce shortage. At all levels of the energy industry, there are just not enough workers. This drives prices up and slows projects down. One of the greatest challenges to the disadvantaged communities is the lack of access to jobs, especially technical jobs. These roadblocks may be due to money, education, race, color, or transportation, or a dozen other things. Or maybe these potential employees just haven't been shown the doorways to opportunity. The Journeyman Project seeks to explore one approach to providing access for disadvantaged individuals to quell those voices that tell them they can't and support them on a path to I can. Give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. Teach a man to fish and he'll eat for a lifetime. The Journeyman Project hopes to bring together disadvantaged communities with jobs in the energy and engineering fields. We hope you'll support this worthwhile cause. Thank you.